Step inside a Georgian townhouse where history meets modern charm. Soft hues, vintage finds, and layered lighting create a timeless, lived-in elegance that's both fresh and full of soul. Emilie Fournet Interiors approaches the design of this house by respecting its historical essence while infusing it with contemporary life and personality. The home decor balances period authenticity with modern elements, creating spaces that feel both established and fresh. Throughout the townhouse, a thoughtful use of color is evident. Rather than harsh whites, walls often feature muted or dusty hues, such as soft pinks and earthy greens, which are chosen to complement the natural light and the Georgian architecture. These colors are frequently extended to skirting boards, with a contrasting, slightly different shade for ceilings and other woodwork to highlight period features without creating visual distraction. For example, a drawing room might feature walls in a dusty pink paired with a subtle mushroom beige on the ceiling, allowing the colors to interact harmoniously. Furniture selection often includes a mix of vintage and contemporary pieces. Mid-century furniture with clean lines can be found alongside more traditional items, creating an eclectic yet cohesive feel. The emphasis is on choosing items that have an emotional connection or a unique beauty, rather than adhering strictly to a single era. Rugs are often used to introduce patterns and anchor spaces, sometimes featuring vintage designs that pick up on the room's color palette. Lighting plays a crucial role in shaping the mood and texture of each room. Emilie Fournet advocates for varied lighting, incorporating floor lamps, table lamps, and pendants at different heights and with diverse finishes: fabric, glass, ceramic, metal, stone, wood, to create pockets of light and allow for varied atmospheres. Dimmer switches are favored to provide control over the room's ambience. In specific rooms, design choices reflect both practicality and aesthetic appeal. A nursery, for instance, in this Georgian townhouse, features a charming botanical wallpaper in gender-neutral tones, chosen for its balance of pattern and its ability to create a cozy, cocooning feeling. Pink colors for the woodwork and ceiling in the nursery are carefully selected to enhance the wallpaper, drawing out its subtle hues.